How to reset the camera settings on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you'd like to reset the camera settings on your iPhone, here are the steps to do so. First and foremost, you'll have to head over to the settings application on your device. Tap on your settings application and then scroll down to search for camera. Then tap on it. From this page, you can adjust or toggle off any options you want to reset manually for camera. It could be recording, preserve settings, volume, and such other compositions. However, if you'd like for a full reset, you can head back to the settings page. Once you go back to the setting page, scroll down and find General. Then scroll down again to search for transfer or reset iPhone option. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone and then you will see the option for Reset. Now tap on Reset All Settings and this way it will reset all the system settings including camera settings without even deleting your apps or data. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.